Hello everyone. This here is Dave, and you are watching Object-Oriented Programming Tutorial 4. And in this section, we have to discuss about inheritance and how it works in the C sharp, and what are the basic types, and what is the main concept behind of this pillar.
This concept is based on a base class and a derived class. Now check the basic definition of a base class and derived class. Base class is the class from which features are to be inherited into another class. As you see in the figure, mobile is the base class. Derived class, it is a class in which the base class features are inherited, as you see in the figure, like Samsung and this all mobile. Now take a look at inheritance types. Object-oriented programming support the six different types of inheritance, as you see in the figure. Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance. It is not supported in C sharp. That is another debate. Okay, multipath inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Now take a look languages support. Different type of inheritance in different languages. C sharp support single inheritance, C++ support single inheritance, Java supports single inheritance, Python supports single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance, C sharp, C++, Java, Python support this type. Hierarchical, C sharp, C++, Java, Python support this type. Multipath, C sharp, Java not supported, Python, C++ supported. Similarly, hybrid and multipath behave like multiple, as you see in the figure cross. Okay, cross mean it is achieved by through interfaces. Single inheritance. In this type of inheritance, subclasses inherit the feature of one superclass. In this figure, class A serves as a base class for the derived class of B. In this type, a derived class will be inheriting a base class, and as well as the derived class also act the base class to other class. In this figure, class A serves as a base class for the derived class B, which in turn serves as a base class for the derived class C. Hierarchical inheritance. One class serves as a superclass for more than one subclass. In this figure, class A serves as a base class for the derived class B, C, and D. In multiple inheritance, one class can have more than one superclass and inherit features from all parent classes. Please note that C Sharp does not support multiple inheritance with the classes. In C Sharp, we have achieved multiple inheritance only through interfaces. In this figure, class A is derived from interface C and B. It is the combination of hierarchical and multiple inheritance. In C Sharp, we can achieve hybrid inheritance only through interfaces, as you see in this figure. It is a derivation of a class from other derived classes which are derived from the same base classes, like multi-level multiple. In this figure, a class D is derived from class B and C, and these are the child of class A. From the above 2 points, we can say class D is indirectly derived from class A. Now I'm going to implement these all types in a coding site for Mono Develop. Actually, I have already designed mockup code for single, multiple, and other all types for inheritance. Let's see. Without any conversation, start coding.